beautiful upper stage, I guess.
Definitely.
All right, we're coming to the end of the second Avum burn. Just in about 1 or 2 seconds, you'll hear the DDO call out confirmation of that. There's the nozzle shutting off. And by the time the telemetry comes in here to
Extinction
Jupiter,
du 4e étage.
there it is, extinction of the 4th stage, she says. So now we're coasting again. On the right is Proba-V. The black triangle under that is the Vespa, that's the carrying structure.
Yeah.
And under that, the black part is,
Début de la manœuvre d'orientation au
inside of that
profil de Proba-V.
are the other 2 satellites.
Yes. VNREDSat-1 and ESTCube.
Proba-V separation coming up at, I would say, about 10 seconds. 4 years in preparation, readying it for tonight's mission. Separation of our first passenger imminent. As you can see, technicians here in Jupiter have their eyes on their computer screens, ears to their telephones, waiting.
Séparation Proba-V.
And there it is, the first good news, separation of Proba-V.
Yeah.
And Vega, as you saw very politely, the folks here in, well, I was going to say they were holding their applause until the final passenger, but I spoke too soon.
Yes, it's with the people.
Maybe that's the Proba team.
Yes.
Now the Proba is up. What are its first early orbit operations going to be?
Yes. So Proba-V, when separated, is switched on and stabilized, stopping its tumbling. It's a kind of a barbecue movement in order to heat on all its sides during the ballistic phase.
Right, they have to heat equally each side, so it's got to turn and turn and turn.
Exactly.
Right.
So then just after 40 minutes after separation, Kourou ground segment will be able to acquire its first signal. Then 70 minutes after separation, the satellite will fly over Svalbard in Sweden. And the first communication...
Norway. No?
Norway, sorry.
We're going to go to a launch replay again, this time maybe from another site. Fine shots. Again, you didn't see much of her trajectory as she lifted up, but you did see the very quick ascent of Vega as she lifted very rapidly off the pad.
And I repeat, the noise.
And the noise. that's going to be with Enrico for, I think, a long time to come. We're going to take a break while Vega is circling the globe. We'll be back in about 45 minutes at plus 1 hour, 49 minutes local time for the end of the mission. You don't want to miss it. You'll see separation of our second and third passengers. In the meantime, you can follow the action on the 3D animation and on the curve on your screen. So enjoy it, everybody. We'll see you back here in 3/4 of an hour.
Tous les paramètres à bord sont normaux. Le pilotage est calme. Tous les paramètres à bord sont normaux. Troisième allumage du quatrième étage. Tous les paramètres à bord sont normaux. La trajectoire est normale. Extinction du 4e étage sur commande de guidage. La trajectoire est normale. Verte